Did you know the sanitary pad you use during certain times of the month can actually help with so many other things? Believe it or not, most people would never guess these incredible uses for sanitary pads you may not have thought of. 1. Do you love stepping into a closet or bathroom that smells fresh and clean? Here's a little trick. Grab a sanitary pad, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or scented fabric softener, and place it in a discreet spot in your closet or bathroom. The pad will act like a mini air freshener, slowly releasing a pleasant aroma over time and keeping the area fresh. 2. Have you ever bought a pair of shoes that look amazing but feel uncomfortable after a few hours? Simply place a pad inside the shoe as an insole. The soft, cushioned material absorbs pressure and helps prevent sore spots that can lead to blisters. You'll feel the difference immediately. 3. New shoes can cause discomfort, especially around the heel. A quick fix is to take a piece of a sanitary pad and place it at the back of the shoe where it's rubbing. The pad acts as a soft buffer, preventing friction and helping you avoid painful blisters altogether. 4. If you're feeling feverish, you can actually use a sanitary pad as a quick, cool compress. Just run it under cold water, squeeze out the excess, and place it on your forehead or the back of your neck. The pad retains moisture well and feels refreshingly cool against your skin, helping to bring down your body temperature naturally. 5. Sweaty armpits are a common problem, especially when wearing clothes for hours. If you often find damp patches under your arms, this pad trick could be your lifesaver. Take any shirt or garment and attach the adhesive side of a sanitary pad to the inside of the shirt, right under the armpit area. This setup ensures that when you start sweating, the moisture stays on the pad and doesn't reach your clothes. You'll keep your clothes protected from bad odors, unsightly stains, and those frustrating yellow deodorant marks.